Jane, new year, new you.
Yeah, that's true.
Out with the old, in with the new. If you've been wanting to hit the reset button for a while, there's no better time to do it than right now, the beginning of the year.
But if you don't know where to start, we have brought in our organising expert, Anita Birges, to help you. Hey, Anita.
Hi.
Let's lay the groundwork. When you're trying to reorganise your house, what's your first job?
Okay, first of all, I want you to make a priorities list. So really, tackling a whole house in one day is never going to happen. So start off the year by getting a list and writing out the main points that really make, that annoy you in the home.
Like it might be the space,
yes,
or...
but also the clutter,
Yeah.
the places that breed clutter, like the entranceway, the junk drawer,
The dining room table.
The dining room table. So actually, if you write it down, it gives you more of a list and like you have more goals to, it just breaks it down into bite-sized pieces instead of saying, I'm going to declutter the whole house this year.
So I'm the sort of person who just shoves it in the drawer, just closes it and forgets about it, if out of sight, out of mind. So what sort of tools have you brought in to help us?
Okay, you really only need these tools to start off. You need to get some good boxes, okay? So good boxes, because they will help you sort, categorise, contain, and you can also use them as organising solutions.
Okay.
These you can pick up for about, I think, $20 from Officeworks, a packet of 6, which is really good.
Okay.
The other things I really want to talk to you about is drawer dividers. Now, you were just saying that you...
I love a junk drawer.
Junk drawer, but you just shove the drawer so you don't have to see it. One drawer can actually become 3 categories with some simple drawer dividers. Okay, I'm not joking. This is a life-changing, game-changing when it comes to dividing up your drawers. So instead of having a sock drawer, an undie drawer, you can have socks, undies, singlets, bras, all in one drawer with a simple divider, and you can grab it on my Amazon store, so I might even send you some. Last thing is back of the door hooks.
Oh, yeah.
You have no idea how many times I'll come into someone's home and I'll say, let's use the space on the back of a door or on the inside of a door, like under your kitchen sink, on the inside of your pantry door. This is golden real estate. So say, for example, if you wore a pair, clothes for only like an hour in the afternoon, you came home from work, does it go in the wash? Does it go back in the cupboard?
It
goes on the back of the
Typical
door.
man.
So these are the little solutions that, first of all, will help you save on space and keep you organised, but also save you time when you're trying to find things.
Very handy, that one.
I love this. This is actually on the back of my bedroom door. I took it off this morning.
Now, we just saw you practicing a quick towel fold. We
Yes.
don't have much time, but if you can just quickly show us
It
how
was
you made
glorious.
Okay,
the towel
I'm
look
going to
so
show
fancy.
you 2 quickly, okay?
So this will save space in the linen
Save
cupboard.
space. And also what I like to do is if you've got a family, for example, and you've got
Check
kids
this out,
in the
Jane.
house,
Take
okay,
it.
you can separate the towels, so it's adult towels or kids' towels quite easily this
Here we
way.
go.
So you do it in half, then you're going to bring in, this way. So you bring in one corner to the side, just over the middle, and the other one to the other side. Now you're going to do a little flip.
It's like origami.
It is. It feels good too. And pull it down a little bit.
Okay.
Then you're going to use tight hands.
Rolling.
Start rolling, and you'll see there's a little triangle here.
There's a little
Yeah.
tuck.
Little tuck going in.
I mean, that looks like you're
How
finding
fun is that?
on a hotel bed. It's glorious.
How fun
Thank
is
you.
that?
I'm doing this at home.
Do this. Can I show you one more?
Anita.
Do you have time for one?
We've run out
Very,
of
very
time.
quickly.
Oh,
Very...
don't worry. I was going to show you how to take things to the beach.
Jane's a
Same
timekeeper.
thing.
She
We'll
says
put
no.
it on
but-
Instagram.
Yeah.
Check out her socials. Thanks so much, Anita.
See you
Appreciate it. Stay with us on Today. Plenty more right after this.